All right, buckle up, because today's episode is a masterclass in speed traps, school zones, and citizens trying their best to explain why they're late to literally everything. Watch closely as we break down not just the traffic stops, but the legal stakes behind every citation.
Tango 30 1050, make it Wiles in Creekside. Morning, Officer Badarama, Court. Good morning. Reason why I stopped you, we're going 66 on the 45 in the middle through lane. Yes, now, sir. Can I see your license registration? Yeah, yes, now, before you stop in traffic. You have your license registration, proof of insurance?
All night I'm working. I'm working at the Shell gas station here.
Okay, so you're saying that you're tired, that's why you were going 66?
Believe me, no, I don't know the speed.
That's why you have to look sometimes at the speed how fast you were going, but you were going 66, yes, now.
I'm sorry for that.
Okay. Can I see your license registration, proof of insurance then?
Sure. All night, my friend, all the police say.
Okay, but you still gotta be careful how you drive though. You still gotta look down the speedometer and look how fast you were going. You still gotta follow the speed limit. Yep, that's insurance, registration, nope.
Notice how the driver immediately blames fatigue. Classic move, but legally, fatigue doesn't excuse speeding. If anything, it makes it worse. Because if the officer believes you're too tired to safely operate the vehicle, this could escalate into a safety concern beyond just a citation.
See another insurance. Registration, that's it right there. And your license, please.
Driver license?
I'm sorry, what?
The driver license?
Yeah, your driver license, sir. So 66 on the 45. 21 Norris, a $281 citation, 3 points, and it could be up to 4 hours of driving school. It's up to the judge though, because they'll look at his driving record. And they'll find out what they're gonna give him. That's a fine. All right, sir, this is a ticket for going 21 over. Way too much. You're going as fast as a sawgrass right now. You're going 66 on this roadway. In schools, you're about to start, yes, now in a couple minutes. So you gotta make sure you look around, okay? Okay, you gotta take care of it within 30 days. I circled the amount. In this pink form, there's options. Read through the option and choose one if you like to pay it off that way, okay?
How I pay?
There's options. You gotta read the options. There's 4 options there. Okay,
Here's where things get spicy. Once the officer mentions 21 over, the magic number appears. In many states, 20 plus over isn't just speeding. It's a threshold that triggers mandatory penalties like points, higher fines, and driving school. The officer even hints this could depend entirely on the judge. Translation: your driving record becomes your best friend or worst enemy.
Know which one you gotta choose. You either gotta pay, go to court, or so forth, okay? But you gotta read the options. Thank you. 36. (36) on a 50-mile-per-hour school zone from 8:20 to 9:20. Tango 30 1050, 6600 Wiles, eastbound. Morning, Officer Badarama, Coach from Police Department. The reason why I stopped you, yes, we're going 36 miles per hour in a 15-mile-per-hour school zone. I know the lights were working because I checked it, so. You have your license, registration, proof of insurance, though? What's that?
I had just noticed the last, and I'm so sorry.
The light, the light's way over there, though, beyond the lights.
I'm because it's been very bright. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm usually really good at paying attention. I'm so sorry.
Mm-hmm. And your insurance card, please? Could be on your phone, that's fine.
Oh no, I actually have it here. Sorry, I'm so sorry.
Okay, just stay inside the vehicle, okay? Thank you. She said because the sun is shining, but it's not it's up high. It's not you know what I'm saying? Not straight. So 36 miles per hour on the 15-mile-per-hour school zone. So that's a $456 citation because of that fast. It's going 21 over. 3 points, and then 4 hours driving school, if anything. Now I always like to put the time of the school zone on the citation.
The sun was in my eye's defense. Iconic. While it can be valid in rare cases, school zones are strict liability areas. That means even if the sun, the moon, or a solar eclipse blinded you, the law still expects you to slow down. The officer is polite, but make no mistake, school zone infractions are among the heaviest hitters in traffic law.
So then we'll go to court. It's easier to look at. All right, ma'am. This is a citation for going 21 over the school zone. Okay? I circled the amount. Yes, take care of it with 30 days. You got to be careful. You've been stopped before back in June, but you got to be careful because 21 is a lot in school zone.
I'm so sorry.
All right. Just make sure you take care of it within 30 days. You got your options. Read through the options and choose one, okay?
Is this like a ticket?
Yes, it's a ticket, ma'am, for going 21 over. Yes, ma'am.
Is it something I pay online?
That's up to you. I mean, you have to read the options. That's in the pink form. There's 4 options. Read through them and then choose one. Don't do it now, though. Do it when you get home or something, okay? All right.
So I don't have to go to court, or just
It depends what you choose. I don't know what option you choose. Okay? Thank you. Just be safe. Okay, no problem. Yeah, we're driving around. I noticed there might be a crash over here. So I'm just checking out, and there was actually. But there is a TAI, a traffic accident investigator on the way. She's pretty far, so I don't know if she wants me to take it or not. Tango 3, go ahead, cancel Zulu 88. I'll take it. So I decided to take it. Good morning, gentlemen. How you doing? Are you the driver?
He drove this car, I drove that car.
Okay. Are you guys good? You got any medical treatment or anything? You guys are good?
Yeah.
You need any medical treatment? All right. So this accident occurred actually in Rock Island and Sample. I guess they were both in the right turn lane, facing northbound from Margate, basically. Bunch of cars in the right turn lane. Obviously, you are allowed to take a right turn after the red light, as long as you make sure, traffic flow is clear, which it was. Supposedly what the gentleman said that's our fault, said that his handicap placard fell on the ground. He thought he put his vehicle in park, but instead he pressed the reverse button. And that's when the car went on reverse and then hit vehicle 2, which was behind him. And then he didn't realize that he hit the vehicle because he saw the vehicles in front of him leave already, so he left.
Shift gears, literally. We're moving from speeding infractions to a low-impact crash investigation. Pay attention to how the officer evaluates fault. That admission about the handicap placard falling? That's basically a self-report of driver error. And in minor crashes like this, the officer's goal is quick documentation, not punishment. No injuries, no towed cars, no airbag deployment. No citation. Efficiency is the name of the game.
Which that happens. Sometimes people don't realize that, because it depends how big the vehicle is. Then, you're not going to feel it. Especially if it's small or 2 cars the same size. If you go back very slow, you're not going to feel the impact. So, and then he said he took off, and then somehow he realized that he had to pull over. And then he pulled over, and then I guess that's when the other gentleman said, hey, you hit me, whatever. And then he said, then I must have when I put it in reversed. But like he said, he didn't feel it, which does happen. So now we're gonna do a quick crash report, and I'll give them the driver's information, and then they'll be on the way, so then they can report it to their insurance, and then the insurance could take care of it. There's no need for citation. 3 reasons why we give citation: if somebody gets injured, vehicles get towed, or airbags deployed. Those are the 3 only reasons. But we already know who's at fault, obviously. So we're gonna put this gentleman vehicle 1 in roadways. Usually vehicle 1 is at fault. Obviously there's no witnesses, but he did admit to going reverse. So the case is gonna be simple. Like I said, I'm just trying to get him out of here quick as possible, get the driver's exchange, so they can go on their way, and I'll finish my report later on. So that's the easy solution.
I know.
License and registration proof insurance back?
Yes.
Just to let you know, if you would like a copy of the report, 6 to 7 business days, you can. You can either go to Cold Spring Police Department or call, ask for the records department, say, hey, can I get a copy? They'll email you the copy of the report. 57. Tango 30, 1050, 2100 Riverside, northbound. Morning, Officer Badarama, Cold Spring Police Department. 57 or 35, yes, now. You have your license and registration and insurance, please? Yep, that's it. All right, you stay inside the vehicle, sir, okay? Thank you. You stay inside the vehicle. So he was going 57 on 35. It's 22 over, $281 citation. 10-4. All right, sir. This is a citation for going 22 over the speed limit. That's a lot.
No, it's because I got school and like, I know. It's not.
Yeah, but you got to slow down, though. You got to make it there safely. What school? You college or high school or what? For you. But then you got to take like a highway before you...
I was going to go all the way right down Royal Palm all the way to Atlantic.
Yeah, Royal Palm.
Down all the way Atlantic, all the way down to the Express.
See, that's when you should never change your route. Go to Atlantic and
I know that
you avoided me.
I never take this route, too. And the
See what happens when people change their things and have it? You shouldn't. But 22 is a lot, though. I mean,
No, I understand.
Okay. So I'll circle the amount. Take care of it within 30 days. Okay. You have your options in this pink paperwork. Read through the options. Choose one if you like, or get a lawyer. All right. But you know there's cops everywhere. You know that, right? Because especially when it's the second week of school, you know that everybody's gonna be around, right?
I understand.
All right. Just be careful, though. Okay. Thank you. $55 on a 35. Tango 30, 1050, 2100 Riverside, northbound. Morning, Officer Valderrama, Coach Release Department. Good. The reason why I stopped you, 55 or not 35, yes now. You have your license, registration, proof of insurance, please?
Yes. Sorry, going to the dentist. It's gonna be late. Alright, that's that.
Mm-hmm.
My insurance is on my phone.
That's fine.
I get a fine.
Well, you're late for your dentist appointment? That's where you're going then? All right, that's gonna take a while.
Yeah.
Bring it up and save it as a picture or something, all right?
Okay.
Just give me a minute. Thank you. Yeah, he was trying to get his insurance, but it wasn't connected to the internet, so car was going 55 on the 35, 20 over. 20 over, it's 281. Just to let you know, I have a 1060 also facing north on Riverside, intersection of Royal Palm and Riverside's red vehicle. Once I'm done with 1050, I'll head over there. I have to go push it. All right, so look, this is a citation for going 20 over. Don't worry about it. Just save it as a picture, and yeah, okay. Because next time it'll be a little quicker. Instead of me waiting for it to upload and everything. 20 over. I circle the amount. Take care of it within 30 days. Okay. You gotta slow down now. That's too much around here. In this pink form, you have your options. Read through the option and choose one to take care of the ticket. Okay. Just slow down, please. Thank you. Tango 30, DC 30. Yeah, I'm 97. Copy a tag. I'm gonna attempt to push it off the roadway. Hello? Can you put it on neutral? You're broken down, right? Yeah. Okay, can you put it on neutral? On neutral.
Neutral?
Yeah, put it on neutral. Put it on N. Okay.
This is one of those moments that rarely makes it into traffic videos. Officers performing pure public service tasks. No tickets, no lectures. Just a stalled car getting shoved off the road so the rest of the city doesn't descend into chaos. These small actions prevent multi-car pileups. And honestly, the officer deserves bonus XP for this one.
We're gonna go over there. See over there? Look, over there. We're gonna pull it. I'm gonna push you. Okay? Turn the wheel. Leave it there. Take off your foot off the brake. Take your foot off the brake.
Off?
No, the brake. Take it off.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna push you.
Okay.
You steer. Okay, go over there. Tango 30 vehicles off the roadway, DC 04. There's a vehicle that was broken down the roadway. I saw that while we were doing a traffic stop on that car. Once I finished doing the traffic stop on that car, I went behind that vehicle, blocked the right turn lane, and basically just pushed the car off the roadway to a safer area. So now they could call the tow truck or whoever they want to help them out. So that was it. Clear the roadway so no further incidents occur. That's it, and we're done. Tango 30, 10, 50, 6,600 miles eastbound. 36 on the 15 mile school zone. Morning, sir. Officer by the Rama, Coach Police Department. You just passed me going 36 on the 15 mile per hour school zone. Yes, now. You have your license, registration, proof of insurance, please?
I didn't know.
What's that, sir?
I didn't know. I'm sorry. I didn't know it was.
Okay.
15. I thought it was still like regular.
Okay. Registration and insurance, please?
That's my auntie car.
What's that?
That's my auntie car.
Oh, okay. So you might know where it's at, you might not know where it's at?
I might not know where it's at.
Yeah, that's a lot of stuff in there.
Yeah. Can I call it?
All right, just give me a minute, all right? Don't look around. Just shut it off for me. Okay, yeah, just turn around, okay? 36 hours. 456. $456. You see, you didn't see the light. All right, so look, this is a citation for going 21 over in the school zone. I circled the amount. Yes, take care of it within 30 days. If you don't, the state will suspend your license. How to take care of your ticket within 30 days? In this pink phone, there's options, right? Read through the options and choose one, all right? Or yes, get a lawyer, whichever you like. But you gotta be careful though, okay? Thank you. 60, buddy. Tango 30, 1050, 2100 Riverside, northbound. 60 on the 35. Morning, sir. Officer by the Rama, Coach Police Department. The reason why I stopped you, you hit 60 on the 35 just now. You have your license, registration, proof of insurance?
60 was like 40 something.
No, you're going 60, then you probably saw me, then you went down to 40, sir. Real quick, actually. On the left lane over there.
I look, it was 40 something.
Yeah, a lot of people do after they see a cop or vehicle pull over, they'll slam the brake or like slow down, and then they'll look at a speedometer, and that's when you actually see how fast you're going, but not before you actually apply the brake. I'm just letting you know. You have your registration and insurance, sir? Could be your registration. Let me see. Yep. All right, you're staying to the vehicle, okay, sir? Thank you. Like he said, he probably was going 40 after he probably saw me, and after he applied the brakes. Then people got normally apply the brake, then they look down because they're going forward. But before that, people don't think about looking at the speedometer. So I think he saw my vehicle. Maybe he thought it was a police car. Maybe it is, and then he just slowed down real quick. He was already passing the vehicles on the right side, and then I saw the car. When you kind of stop all of a sudden, the car's gonna sink down, the hood's gonna go down. So you know he applied the brake quickly. All right, sir, this is a ticket for going 25 over. That's way too much, 60, okay? So circle the amount, just take care of it within 30 days. If you don't, the state will suspend your license. In this pink form, there's options. Read through the option and choose one to take a citation or hire a lawyer to do so, all right? But you gotta slow down, like I said, okay? Thank you. Tango 30, 1050, 9800 Atlantic eastbound. 69 and a 45. Morning, Officer by the Rama, Coach Police Department. Reason why I stopped you, you were going 69 on the 45 just now on a point. Yes, ma'am. You have your license with you?
Yes, I'm so sorry, I didn't know. I'm taking out my phone, okay?
All right, just stay into the vehicle, okay? Thank you.
No problem.
She said she didn't know she was going that fast. Okay, ma'am, this is a ticket for going 24 over. That's a lot. You gotta slow it down, okay? I circled the amount. You take care of it within 30 days. In this pink form, there's options. Read through the options and choose one if you like. Either that, hire a lawyer, okay? You gotta slow down, please. Man, thank you. Got it? 66. Tango 30, 1050, 10400 Atlantic westbound. Morning, Officer Valderrama, Coral Spring Police Department. 66 on the 45, yes. Now you have your license and the rental agreement, please? Yes, sir. 66, sir. Tango 30, final stop, 10600 Atlantic, facing westbound. You're staying inside the vehicle, okay? Stay put. Thank you. All right, sir. This is a citation for going 21 over, okay? You got to slow down. That's a lot. 66 on the 45.
I will. I'm sorry.
Yes, take care of it.
Get to work. I got some issues going on.
All right. You got to get there safely, though. You know what I'm saying? You got your options. Just take care of it within 30 days, okay? But drive slowly. That's all.
All right, man.
All right, thank you. 61 on the 40. Went Honda. Tango 30, 1050 light change, Riverside sample. So 61 on the 40, about 3100 block of Riverside. Morning, Officer Valderrama, Coral Spring Police Department. Before you got to the red light over there, 61 on the 40, yes now. You have your license, please, and registration and insurance. That's insurance and then your registration. Yep. All right, you stay inside the vehicle, thank you. So 61 on the 40. 21 over, $281 citation. All right, man, a couple of things, okay? When you get stopped by the police officer, find a safe place to pull over. Like that street would have been fine, or a left or right turn lane. Middle of the road, it's very dangerous for me and yourself, because I could get hit from behind and probably push towards you, okay? Just make sure you put next time someplace safe, okay? Doesn't mean a half mile or a mile away. No, it's something like where we can do things safely, okay? But this is a ticket for going 21 over the speed limit. That's a lot on our roadway. Circle the amount, take care of it within 30 days. In this pink form, there's options to get a ticket. Read the options and choose one if you like, or get a lawyer to do so, okay? But do that when you get home, please, and slow down, okay? Thank you.